Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to enjoy a long and natural English conversation about sports, including soccer, basketball, and the Olympic Games. This lesson will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills, learn useful sports vocabulary, and understand how to speak naturally about games, teamwork, and motivation. Make sure you watch the full video because each part of the conversation flows smoothly from one topic to another, just like real-life English. By the end, you'll feel more confident talking about your favorite teams, athletes, and competitions in everyday situations. If you enjoy learning English through real conversations, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also practicing English. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite sport and why? Write your answer in the comments below and join our friendly learning community. Now sit back, relax, and let's start the full 100-line English conversation on sports, soccer, basketball, and the Olympic Games. Enjoy and learn along the way.
Hey David, did you catch the soccer match last night?
Yeah, I did. What a game. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time.
Same here. The second half was incredible, especially that last-minute goal.
Same here. The second half was incredible, especially that last-minute goal.
Do you watch soccer often?
Pretty regularly. I follow the big leagues, especially the English Premier League. How about you?
I like international matches more. There's something special about the World Cup vibe.
Oh, absolutely. The energy during the World Cup is unreal. People cheering everywhere.
I still remember the last World Cup final. My whole family watched it together.
That's the best way to do it. Snacks, shouting at the TV, and pretending we're all coaches.
Exactly. Who's your favorite player?
I'd have to say Messi. His control and creativity are just out of this world.
Messi is a legend. But I also admire Ronaldo for his dedication and fitness.
Yeah, both are incredible athletes in their own ways.
Do you play soccer yourself?
Sometimes with friends on weekends, nothing serious, just casual matches.
That sounds fun. I played in school, but I was terrible at scoring goals.
Ha, maybe you were better in defense. Every team needs someone to stop the goals too.
True. I was good at running though. I could chase the ball all day.
That's important. Soccer's half about running and half about timing.
Have you ever been to a live match?
Yeah, once. The crowd's energy was insane. Singing, waving flags, everyone in team colors.
I can imagine. Watching live must be completely different from TV.
It is. You can feel the passion in the air.
Do you think soccer is the most popular sport in the world?
Definitely. It's simple to play. All you need is a ball and some space.
That's true. It's played everywhere, from big cities to tiny villages.
Exactly. That's what makes it such a universal game.
I love how soccer brings people together, no matter their background.
Yeah, it's one of those rare things that unites everyone.
Have you ever watched women's soccer?
Oh yes, the women's tournaments are getting better every year. The level of skill is amazing.
I agree. I watched the Women's World Cup final and it was so exciting.
Women players deserve way more recognition and support.
For sure. Sports should be equal for everyone.
Couldn't agree more. Talent has no gender.
Do you have a favorite soccer team?
Barcelona, for sure. I love their style of play, fast and creative.
Nice choice. I like Liverpool. Their fans are so passionate.
Oh yeah, You'll Never Walk Alone gives me chills every time I hear it.
Do you think players are paid too much these days?
Do you think players are paid too much these days?
That's true. The business side of sports is massive now.
Yeah, sometimes it feels more commercial than pure competition.
Still, when the whistle blows, it's all about the game.
Absolutely, that's when money and fame disappear. It's just skill and teamwork.
Speaking of teamwork, I think that's what makes soccer so inspiring.
Totally. A single player can't win alone. Everyone has to work together.
Have you ever seen a match go into a penalty shootout?
Oh yes, And it's nerve-wracking. My heart can't take it sometimes.
Same. Every penalty feels like life or death.
That's the beauty of it, pure emotion and tension.
What do you think about VAR?
It's good for fairness, but it kills the flow a bit.
Yeah. I like accuracy. But I miss those spontaneous celebrations.
True, nothing worse than cheering a goal that gets cancelled.
That happened to me once. I was screaming and then offside.
Classic. That's part of the modern game, I guess.
Okay, let's talk basketball now. Are you a fan?
Oh yeah, I love basketball, fast-paced and full of energy.
I like how every second counts, especially in the last quarter.
Totally. You can be 10 points behind and still come back.
Who's your favorite NBA team?
The Golden State Warriors, they play such exciting basketball.
I like them too. Curry's three-pointers are unbelievable.
He's changed the game completely with his shooting style.
I used to watch the Chicago Bulls when I was younger. Michael Jordan was my hero.
Same. He's still the greatest in my book.
Do you play basketball yourself?
Sometimes I'm not tall, but I'm quick. That helps.
I tried once, but dribbling and running at the same time was harder than I thought.
Yeah. Coordination takes practice.
I love how basketball mixes speed, power, and strategy.
Exactly. It's not just about strength. Timing and teamwork matter too.
Do you watch any European basketball leagues?
Occasionally, but the NBA is still my main focus.
I've seen highlights of the EuroLeague. Some of those players are amazing.
For sure, and many end up joining the NBA later on.
Do you think basketball is harder than soccer?
Both are tough in different ways. Soccer needs endurance. Basketball needs precision.
That's a fair point. And in basketball, one mistake can change everything fast.
Yep, especially when the shot clock is running out.
Have you ever gone to a live basketball game?
Once in LA, Lakers versus Clippers, the energy was wild.
That must have been awesome. I'd love to see an NBA game someday.
You should. The crowd, the lights, the music, it's an experience.
What do you think about street basketball?
Oh, I love it. It's creative and raw. People show real talent out there.
I've seen videos of players doing crazy tricks on outdoor courts.
Yeah, it's all about style and flair in street ball.
Do you think basketball is becoming more global?
Definitely. Players from all over the world are joining the NBA now.
I like how sports can cross borders like that.
Same here. Talent is universal. Opportunity isn't, but it should be.
Do you watch the Olympics?
Oh yes, I love the Olympics. It's the best part of for years.
Me too. I love how it brings every nation together peacefully.
Yeah, it's one of the few times the world feels united.
Do you prefer the summer or winter Olympics?
Summer, definitely. More variety and outdoor energy.
Same. Athletics, swimming, gymnastics, there's always something exciting.
The relay races and gymnastics always keep me glued to the screen.
What's your favorite Olympic sport to watch?
Probably track and field. Those runners are unbelievable.
I love watching diving. It's so graceful and precise.
Yeah, they make something difficult look effortless.
Do you remember the Tokyo Olympics? They were held during the pandemic.
Yeah, it was strange without big crowds, but athletes still gave their all.
It showed real dedication, competing under such tough conditions.
Absolutely, true spirit of sportsmanship.
Have you ever dreamed of being in the Olympics?
When I was a kid, yeah, I wanted to run the 100 meters like Usain Bolt.
Same. I used to imagine winning a gold medal in swimming.
I can totally picture that. Anna, Olympic champion.
Oh please, I'd probably get tired after one lap.
Me too. Watching is safer.
But seriously, the dedication athletes have is inspiring.
Totally. Years of training for a few seconds of performance, that's real passion.
And it's not just about winning, it's about representing your country with pride.
Exactly. The medals are just symbols of the journey.
Do you think the Olympics will ever include new sports like esports?
Maybe. The world's changing fast. Who knows what the future holds?
It would be strange to see gamers sitting next to sprinters though.
Ha ha, yeah, very different kind of workout.
Do you remember when skateboarding and surfing got added?
Yes, that was awesome, made the Olympics feel more modern.
I think adding youth sports keeps it fresh and interesting.
Absolutely, it connects with the younger generation.
Do you think countries focus too much on winning medals?
Sometimes, it's supposed to be about unity, not just competition.
True, but people do love to see their flag on the podium.
That's the pride talking, and that's okay too.
I love watching the opening ceremony. All the flags, colors, and performances.
Same here, it's like a celebration of the entire planet.
The music and fireworks always give me goosebumps.
The music and fireworks always give me goosebumps.
Which country do you think dominates the Olympics the most?
The US usually tops the medal table, but others are catching up fast.
China and Japan have also been amazing in recent years.
Yeah, they've really invested in their athletes.
I also love seeing small countries win. It feels so special.
Oh, absolutely. When an underdog wins, it's pure joy.
It's nice that every athlete gets their moment, no matter the medal color.
Yeah, even just qualifying is a huge achievement.
Do you follow the Paralympics too?
Yes, those athletes are beyond inspiring. Their strength is incredible.
I agree. They redefine what determination means.
Exactly, sports at its purest form.
Do you think sports really have the power to make the world better?
Definitely, they teach respect, unity, and perseverance.
I love that. When people play together, barriers disappear.
Exactly, a ball can do what politics sometimes can't.
Well said, David. You should write that on a t-shirt.
Ha ha, maybe I will. Sports philosopher in the making.
What's your favorite Olympic memory?
Bolt breaking the 100 meters record, pure magic.
Mine's Simone Biles performing on the beam. Her balance was unreal.
She's incredible, such power and grace.
Sports moments like those stay with you forever.
Yeah, they remind you what humans can achieve.
Do you think you'll ever go to the Olympics as a spectator?
I'd love to. Paris 2028, maybe.
That would be amazing. Imagine the energy of being there live.
It would be unforgettable, once in a lifetime.
Do you think sports bring generations together too?
For sure, parents teach kids their favorite games, and the passion continues.
My dad taught me soccer when I was 5. We still watch matches together.
That's awesome, those memories last forever.
Yeah, it's more than a game, it's a connection.
Exactly, sports are part of family stories.
If you could try any sport professionally, what would it be?
Probably basketball. I'd love to hit a game-winning three-pointer.
Nice. I'd go for swimming. Peaceful but powerful.
That suits you, calm yet competitive.
Thanks. I think sports reflect personality in a way.
Totally, the way you play says a lot about you.
Have you ever been injured playing sports?
Just a sprained ankle once, nothing serious.
Ouch. I twisted my knee playing volleyball once.
See, even fun can be dangerous sometimes.
True. Still worth it though.
Always, the fun outweighs the pain.
What's one sport you've never tried but want to?
Surfing, it looks so cool and relaxing.
Me too. I've always wanted to learn how to balance on the waves.
Maybe we should take a surf trip someday.
That would be amazing, sports and travel together.
Perfect combination.
Sports really do make life more exciting.
Yeah, they give us stories, memories, and goals.
And they keep us healthy, both physically and mentally.
Absolutely, best stress relief ever.
I love how every game, big or small, brings joy.
Same here, even a casual weekend match feels special.
So, what's your plan for the next big sporting event?
Watch it, snack, and shout at the TV, my usual routine.
Haha, sounds perfect. I'll probably do the same.
Maybe we can watch it together next time.
Deal. Sports are always better with good company.
Couldn't agree more. Teamwork off the field too.